For creating this type of photo editing, you have to go to PicsArt app, click on plus icon, go to color, and select white color for background. Add your photo, then crop it. Remove background from image. Add text image. These two photos link in description. Crop from one side. Then click on blind option and select darken. Then click on draw on black photo background. And go to Effects and select Black and White Effect. Then you have to go to Tools and select Adjust and Decrease Brightness, Construct, Saturation and Shadows, Increase Hue, Highlights and Temperature. Then click on tick icon. If the video is good, then like this video and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that similar videos keep you on time.